Have you ever received a call from an unknown number and wondered who's behind it? Well, today I'm going to show you 10 free OSINT tools that can help you gather publicly available information about phone numbers. These tools are commonly used by journalists, investigators, cybersecurity researchers, and everyday users to identify spam calls, scam attempts, and suspicious contacts. Quick disclaimer before we start. Everything shown in this video is based on publicly available information. Always respect privacy laws and only use these tools for legal and ethical purposes. Let's get started. The first tool is Truecaller. This is probably the most well-known phone number lookup service in the world. If a number has been reported by users or is associated with a public profile, Truecaller can often provide useful information such as a name, business, or spam classification. It's one of the fastest ways to investigate unknown callers. Next is OSINT. This platform helps identify callers by matching phone numbers with publicly available information in user-contributed databases. It can be useful when you're trying to determine whether a call came from a legitimate person or organization. The third tool is NumLookup. One reason many researchers like this tool is its simplicity. You enter a phone number, and it attempts to provide publicly available details associated with that number. It's quick, easy, and completely free for basic searches. Number 4 is PhoneInfoga. This is a popular open-source OSINT tool used by security researchers. It gathers information from multiple public sources and helps analysts investigate phone numbers using open-source intelligence techniques. It's widely used in cybersecurity training and OSINT investigations. The fifth tool is OpenCnom. Sometimes you only need to identify the caller name associated with a number. OpenCnom specializes in caller ID lookups and can help provide additional context when dealing with unknown calls. Coming in at number 6 is WhoCallsMe. This platform focuses heavily on community reports. Thousands of users submit feedback about suspicious numbers, telemarketers, and scam calls. If a number has a bad reputation, there's a good chance you'll find reports about it here. Number 7 is spamcalls.net. Similar to community-driven reporting platforms, this site helps users identify potential spam and robocall numbers. Before calling a suspicious number back, many people check databases like this first. The 8th tool is Telos. This service provides user-generated ratings and reviews for phone numbers. Researchers often use it to determine whether a number has been associated with scams, marketing campaigns, or legitimate businesses. Number 9 is search engines. Believe it or not, simply searching a phone number in a search engine can reveal a surprising amount of information. Public business listings, forum discussions, social media profiles, and company contact pages can all appear in search results if the number is publicly available. Finally, number 10 is social media search. Some individuals and businesses publicly associate phone numbers with their profiles. Searching platforms where users have chosen to make contact information public can sometimes provide additional context about a number. Now, here's an important reminder. OSINT is not magic. These tools don't give you secret access to private databases, personal messages, or hidden information. They simply collect and organize data that is already publicly available from legitimate sources. The best investigators don't rely on just one tool. They compare information from multiple sources, verify findings, and avoid jumping to conclusions based on a single result. So those were 10 free OSINT tools that can help you investigate unknown phone numbers using publicly available information. Whether you're dealing with spam calls, scam attempts, or simply trying to identify an unknown caller, these tools can be incredibly useful when used responsibly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which OSINT tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Magnifying glass cell phone rocket.